How to enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. Open your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the conversation in which you want to enable disappearing message. I'm going to open this one conversation. After you open it, at the top you'll find the username, tap on it. With that, different options will appear. Just scroll down, go to the option Go to Secret Conversation, tap on it. Now type in any message and send it. After you do that, again tap on the username. Now scroll down. Here you're gonna find the option of disappearing messages. Open this option. Now from here you can easily set the timer for disappearing message. I'm gonna set it to 5 seconds. Now you can head back. I have just turned on disappearing messages. All new messages will be removed for each person 5 seconds after they have been seen. Applying the same process, you can enable disappearing messages for other conversations as well. So this is how you can easily enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.